It's Lottie. Lottie! Hey, Lottie! Ay, may ka-text yan. New York down! After a long flight, touchdown New York! Sobrang bad trip kami ngayon kasi 2 hours kaming naipit sa immigration. Crush yata yung nanay namin. As in, inipit siya. Sobrang tagal ganito siya mag-type. Yung immigration officer, mukha siyang pido na maniac na ganito ng ganito. Kasi parang kami, okay. So yeah, sobrang naubos yung oras namin doon. Pagod na pagod kami, tapos ganon. Nagwawala na sila. This is the only store open at 2:30 a.m. May mga hot bagel, falafel. Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm going to do a vlog for my New York trip. So medyo less than 2 weeks kami nandito. We are now in Manhattan, New York. So I'm with my mom and my sister. Ganda ka? Yes. What are you doing? Ah! Okay. Candy Crush girl. Is it Candy Crush or Candy Crush? House shopping. Okay, first agenda of the trip is shopping! Tapos na kami mag-shop sa Under Armour. It was so fun. Nag-addict sa shopping. And Lottie the shopaholic. It's so nice here kasi yung mga stores para siyang nasa houses and para kaming nasa bundok. So yeah, if you check, ayan o, bundok-bundok. Dahil mamalengke na tayo. Mamili ka na ng mga isda mo. Day 2, we are going to Rockefeller, Times Square, and just explore New York City. Okay, so this is the 5th app. Nandito yung mga high-end brands like Gucci, Rolex, LV, Perla, yon. So yeah. Sobrang gutom na ako, guys! As in, this is St. Patrick's Cathedral. Guys, I can't! Ang lala, sobrang init. As in, pawis na kami. Kasi ang araw, hindi ko naman in-expect na ganito kainit. So, medyo nagmakapal ako. Although, naka-shorts naman ako. Pero, grabe! Pero, at night kasi, medyo malamig yung hangin. So, yeah. We are now in the Rockefeller Center. Well, not inside, pero yung view niya dito. So, ayan, ang dami nagpipicture dito mga tourists. Like my mom. Ayan na. Let's go. Work it. Work. Work. So, alam niyo na kung nasaan ako, guys. We are now in heaven. So, tumitingin-tingin kami. Actually, wala na akong pang brows. I have the pomade of Anastasia Beverly Hills. So, I'm trying out. Bumili ako nitong dark brown na brow wiz. Lumipat na kasi ako sa brow pencils ngayon. So, yeah.
Why?
Why? Lumipat ako sa brow pencils kasi mas mabilis siya. Lagi akong on the go. So, parang lagay na agad. in Times Square. So nice here. Kaso, oh my gosh guys, ang init and sobrang daming tourists. So yeah, yun. Nakikita nyo ba yun? Sobrang cool dito kasi grabe yung mga ano nila ads, like LED walls ba yan? And mga billboards. Dito yung ball drop actually during New Year. Tapos pagka countdown, mag-drop yung ball and then you're gonna kiss! Mommy,
I'm a fan of Chris Aquino.
oh. So, you are crazy.
Yes.
And Asian.
I'm going to watch Crazy Illustrations. I'm not rich, but I'm an Asian.
And crazy. Okay, super cool. Kasi first time namin magsine sa ibang bansa. Kaya parang, wow. Isang building. Sinehan lang. So yeah, ito may popcorn place. 4 floors and 25 cinemas. So yeah.
Guys, nag-expect ako na maganda yung station nila. But no. Ang sagwa.
No? As in, ang pangit. Day 3. So, ngayon pupunta kami sa Statue of Liberty. Pupunta tayo kay Momshi. Kay Momshi. Momshi.
Okay guys, kami na lang yung natira dito. So, medyo nag-panic ako nung nag-stop yung train. So,
Takot ako. Parang Shake, Rattle, and Roll or Final Destination vibe. Hindi pa kami nakaka-picture. Haggard na kami. Grabe, so hot! Sobrang init. Mas mainit pa dito kaysa sa Pinas. Oh my God. Sasakay kami ng cruise. So, ito yung line. Tapos, ang init. Buti lang may payong kami.
okay, nandito na kami sa Liberty Island. So, we have this free audio tour. So, may ipi-play lang kami.
Sa Cagayan lang kami. Yeah. Walking up to the Statue of Liberty. Niloko kami. 5-minute walk daw. Hindi! May namumutla na. Lemonade.
Okay, so we are now in the 9/11 Memorial Center. So, meron ditong museum. Dito yung 9/11 before. Yung may bombing. So, we just ate steak. Pero nakalimutan ko i-video. Hi, Hannah! This is my niece.
Okay, so this is Dumbo. And yun yung Manhattan Bridge. So yeah, ang dami nagpa-picture dito kasi kitang-kita. And then this is the Brooklyn Bridge over there.
Mommy. Okay, Mommy, please teach us. What are the ingredients? What are you making?
I'm making an adobo. Just vinegar, garlic, and soy sauce.
Okay. So, those are the only ingredients?
Yes, because I don't have the bay leaf here.
Okay. Why are you laughing?
I will make beef steak. You know beef steak? You know what is the ingredients of it?
Okay, so what are the ingredients of beef steak?
Only beef and lemon.
Oh, really?
And soy sauce.
Oh, okay. So, we are now in Baltimore. So, tulog kami buong biyahe. Hey! So, sobrang mas chill and laid back dito. Ang cool. I'll show you guys later. We are in Washington, D.C. Hi, Tita. So, this is the Lincoln Building. And then look at that. It's so nice. Hi guys! This is the takeover because tinatamad na siya mag-vlog. Kaya gagawa na ako ng sarili kong channel. Okay, because I have two cameras, the vlogging cam and Mark's camera for the photo. So, pagod na ako. Stress! Inaalila niya ako. We're going to the White House. Oh my gosh, guys. Sobrang init. As in. Ay, naka-zoom. So, dahil nga pinagkatiwala sa akin ni Alicio itong camera niya. Hindi ko na-vlog yung White House. Oh, wala siyang kwentang vlogger. Nakalimutan ko. It's our last day! So for today, magpapack lang kami the whole day. Last minute shopping, pasalubong, and then pack, rest. So yay! Oh my gosh, guys! From one of my favorite movies, Serendipity! I'm so happy to see this in person. Are you ready to go home? Grabe, walang pansinan. Walang pansinan. Okay, we're all set. We're going home. Yan na yung mga bagahe namin.
Marunong ka na magluto,
It was a fun trip. Kung hindi lang mainit.
Yung adobo, yung...
Mommy, are you crying? Naiyak din tuloy ako. She's still shopping. Kahit nasa airport, one last shopping. So, this is my mom's favorite skincare brand. Mag-video ako nito soon. Makikigamit ako ng makeup and skincare niya.